Guys, as you know, Google is world's largest search engine and it has a lot of potential if you run ads on Google. Whether you are a business owner, marketer, or just curious about how those ads on Google works, this video is going to cover everything, even from creating search ads to optimizing your search ads. Everything will gonna be covered in this video. So let's get started. First of all, let's understand what are Google search ads. So here I have mentioned a small definition that Google search ads are a powerful form of online advertising that allows businesses to display their products or services at the top of Google search results. These ads are strategically placed to reach users actively searching for relevant product or services. Now, if I show you the exact example of this, as you can see, this is the search engine. This is Google. For example, if I search here, trip to Dubai. So as soon as I hit the enter button, I'll be able to see tons of search ads. These are also comes under search ads, right? And although these are not text ads, if I scroll a little bit down here, I'll be able to see these are the search ads, right? Right now, it is showing me between the search results, like these are the organic results, which doesn't have the sponsored sign, as you can see. These organic results doesn't have the sponsored side over there, right? So these, as you can see, these are the sponsored ones, right? As you can see here. So these sponsored ones are obviously paid ads, and if I scroll a little bit down here, again you'll be able to see the sponsor one, which is again paid, or you can say Google ads. If I scroll a little bit down, I'll be able to see more search ads, as you can see here. So basically what they are doing, they are running Google ads to rank on the search results. In the same way, if I go to another tab and search here digital marketing course, right? I've searched the keyword. This is like the keyword or the search term you can say, and this is digital marketing course. So definitely it shows my intent that I'm looking for a digital marketing course which can help me to excel in the world of digital marketing, right? So obviously people who sell digital marketing courses wanna show me their ads so that I can buy their courses, right? So as soon as I hit the enter button, I'll be able to see few ads over there, as you can see. Although it is showing me my own ad because I've tried to create one ad on this Google ad account, Google Gmail account. That's why it is showing me my own Google ad, as you can see, marketingfundas.com, and this is the ad. Okay, let's take a new tab in another browser, and here if I search digital marketing course and if I hit the enter button, as you can see, tons of ads are like trying to offer me their digital marketing course. So this is what the search ads are. Search ads doesn't have any image, doesn't have any video. These are just headlines and the description, right? And they like directly hit your intent. So these search ads are completely intent based. You need to understand the intent of your users before running search ads. Now, after understanding what are Google search ads, the second question comes in our mind, that why use Google search ads? There are many other different types of ads which we can use to promote our product or services. Why we should use Google search ads or search ads only? So if I talk about Google search ads specifically, so obviously Google is world's largest or world's biggest search engine. So definitely majority of world's traffic is on Google. So if you show your ads on Google search, definitely you are gonna get the best or like good result compared to other search engines. Now, why only search engines are like best, or why you should use search engine? Obviously, first thing is targeted reach. When we talk about other different types of ads like display ads or video ads, they are less targeted compared to search ads, because in search ads you are like directly hitting the intent of your user. As I show you, when I search best digital marketing course or digital marketing courses in Delhi, or maybe in digital marketing courses in India, or maybe in another country, so it shows my intent that I'm trying to find a digital marketing course in a specific city. So maybe I can purchase that digital marketing course, or maybe I want to know more about these digital marketing course. So definitely I'm a good target user. And people who sell digital marketing courses or products related to this definitely want to reach me so that they can convince me to buy their course, right? And Google search ads helps those marketers, helps those business owners to reach their target users or the target customer. That's why the first reason that targeted reach is the first reason, obviously. Then the second reason is measurable result. Now, frankly speaking, there's no any ad type in the world which you can measure, or the results you can measure before running it or before using it. But Google search ads provides detailed performance tracking. You can even see how your Google search ads basically are performing and make data driven decisions to make or to optimize your campaigns. So this is like the ongoing process, and when you run ads on Google for a good amount of time, you get a good idea about the results, like how much money you want to spend to get X amount of results, right? Now lastly, competitive edge, or you can say competitive advantage. So as I told you, Google is world's largest search engine, and by advertising on the world's largest search engine, you can stay ahead of your competitors and capture valuable leads and conversions. That is why you should use Google search ads, right? Now, the next question comes in mind: how Google search ad works. Well, there's no any rocket science. It is a very simple three-step process. First, marketers or business owners find the keywords which their target user or target customer would be searching on Google or any search engine. And when they come up with good amount of keywords, let's say 9 to 10 keywords, they create good advertisements to run or to show whenever the target users search those keywords. And advertisements is nothing but compelling ad copies, including a headline, description, and call to action. As I shown you, as you can see, these are the headlines and the descriptions, and you can see the keywords are here, the description is here, and some of the advertisers have even add the call to action as well. As you can see, apply now, join, I am Indore. So these are the call to actions. So you need to create a good ad before running any Google search ad basically. Once the ad creation is ready, now it's time to run the ad, and ads shown on the basis of auction based pricing. Now, what is this auction based pricing? So basically, let's say there's one keyword, not marketing. Let's say the keyword is digital marketing courses, and there are 10 advertisers or marketers who want to show ads on that particular keyword. So whoever spending the higher amount of money and has a good ad means the quality of ad, right? So whoever marketer spending good amount of money and has a good quality of ad, they will win the auction and their ad will be shown in the top search results. And this is how this auction based pricing works. And I hope you understood how Google search ad works. Right now, after this, types of Google search ads. The first and the major one is obviously text ads. As you see in here, these are the text ads, completely made up of text. There's nothing apart from the text and this like flat icon, right? As you can see, completely just headline and this description, completely made up of text, right? Now the second one is shopping ads. Shopping ads is basically for e-commerce businesses who deals in a product, not in a services. They can run shopping ads on Google. And if I show you the example of shopping ads, let me take you to Google, and if I search here mobile phone under 20,000, as you can see, these are the shopping ads. As you can see, I have searched only mobile phones and I got these ads which has a pricing, the name of the product obviously, and it has a image. These are also search ads and basically works on the basis of keywords. For example, if I type in here shirt for men, as you can see, these ads appeared. These has a sponsored tag obviously, and if I want to buy this shirt or maybe this shirt, I can like simply click on it and this will take me to the website or the product page of the product, and I can simply purchase this product. This is how the shopping ad works, and majorly it is for e-commerce websites. Then we do have local ads. Local ads is basically location based ads that shown businesses or business information such as address, hours, and reviews to drive in person visit and calls. So if I show you the example, if I search here restaurants near me, something like that. So basically these are location based ads. So definitely you can type near me, something like that, and here the advertisement appears, but right now there's no any advertisement on this keyword, right? Restaurants near me. All these like ads are completely organic. For example, if I search AC repair South Delhi or something like that, as you can see guys, I've searched boutiques in South Delhi. Also I searched AC repair one, but I didn't get any ads. But I've searched boutiques in South Delhi. I got the ads. As you can see, this one is ad, and it is showing me that basically it is showing me the headline, whatever they have named, the name of the boutique, and then some other informations like address and the contact number and their timings, like right now it is open or closed. So in the same way, you can see multiple local ads, and these are completely location based. Then we do have app ads, or you can say application ads. So these type of ads appears in the mobile applications, or mostly in mobile phones, because these app ads promotes mobile apps only, with the goal of driving app downloads or in-app actions. And this is how the app ads looks like, right? As you can see, you might have seen this type of ad on your mobile phone as well, right? It features some screenshots or maybe the products this app offers, and has a call to action to install this application. When you hit the install button, or if you hit anywhere in the application, it will take you to the App Store or maybe Google Play Store if you are using Android, and it will provide, it will show you or ask you to install the application. When you hit the install button, it will basically install the application. This is how app ad works. Now, I hope you understood the basics of Google search ads, like what are Google search ads, how these Google search ad works, or what are the types of Google search ads. Now it's time to understand how to create Google search ads. So first of all, as I already told you, that whenever we are creating Google search ads, the first part is the keyword research. Marketers have to research keywords first, so that they can come up with good amount of keywords, so that on those keywords they can run Google search ads, right? Now there are three levels, or you can say three stages to find the best keyword for your business. The first one is identify. In identify level, we basically find out the relevant keywords for our business, for our product or services, right? Then the second level is to analyze the keyword. And how we analyze the keyword, basically we check the search volume, the competition level, and the relevancy of that keyword, like how much relevant that keyword is. And lastly, we refine the list of our keywords by just keeping the most valuable keywords that can bring the most or highest results for our product or services. Now let's start with the very first stage, which is keyword research, and let's identify some keywords. So I'm on Google right now. I'm gonna directly log in into Google Ads. You can simply search Google Ads and you will land on this website. Even Google is running their own ad on the search engine, so you can click on this. Either you can click on their organic result as well, right? When you click on Google Ads, this is how the landing page, the home page of Google looks like. You can simply click on sign in, and you'll be able to create the account. So basically it is going to ask you a few details of your business, like your business name, your contact information, and your billing information. Obviously you need to add your billing information before running ads. And if you don't want to add your billing information before running ads, you can apply one trick. Basically, you can create a Google Ads account without even entering your billing information. And if you want to learn that trick, you can simply click on the I button in the video, or you can check the description box below. I have given the link there. Or just in case you are not able to find the video, you can simply go on Google and search how to create Google Ads account without billing, and then hit the space button and type marketing fundas global. You will get the video. Okay. Now once the account is created, you will see an interface something like this. You just need to you just need to click on the create button. This is the completely new interface which like Google provides. If you want to go to the older interface, you can simply click on the appearance button and you can click on view use previous design for this session, and click on send and go to previous design. This is how the previous design looks like, but it is showing you a notification that this design goes away on August 30, 2024. So you don't have much time to use this interface, right? So I would insist you to use new design, get familiar with the new design. Let's forget the older design. Let's use the new design only, right? Now we are into the new design, and here we see the plus icon, the create button. Just click on this and we can click on the create button in order to create the campaign. But right now we are not creating any campaign. We are just searching some useful keywords for our business which we can use on our ad campaign, right? So for that, you will see a tools section over there. Do you see a tools section? You just need to click on that. So basically what the thing is, Google also provides some tools which you can use to create or to find potential keywords for your business. As you can see, when I click on tool section, I see keyword planner. So keyword planner is the tool. You can directly search on Google as well. Keyword planner Google, something like this, and this will take you to keyword planner. When you click here, and if you click visit keyword planner, this will take you to the same website or the same page, the keyword planner page. Obviously you need to sign in or log in, and this is how the keyword planner looks like, right? So right now I'm on the same page here as well, right? Now what you can do is you can click on discover new keywords. If I click on discover new keywords, I can enter my product name or the products or the services I'm providing, and this will help me to find, basically Google will suggest me the best keywords for that product or the services. For example, I want to sell digital marketing course. That is my product, right? So I will type digital marketing, it's digital marketing course, right? And if I just hit the get button, I think I've done something wrong with the keyword. Yeah, now it's done. Digital marketing course. And in the same way, you can add multiple keywords, right? Now I have only one digital marketing course and I want related keywords to this. So I will hit the get result button and let's see what it shows me. Right. Okay, let me just close this refine keyword option from here. And let me close this from here. Now this is how the keywords, basically the related keywords are, right? So I have searched, so I've provided in just my product, which is digital marketing course, and Google has provided me these keywords: digital marketing certificate, digital marketing course online, digital marketing online marketing course, digital marketing degree. So what I can do, I can run my ads on these keywords. Even Google is showing me average monthly searches on these keywords. 3-month changes, like what are the changes on these keywords in past 3 months. Year on year changes, like what are the changes going on a year on year basis. Then the competition, it shows me the competition as well, like there's a low or medium or high competition on these keywords. And apart from these, it shows ad impression share. Right now it is completely blank. It shows top of page width. So basically, to rank on this keyword digital marketing course, the minimum I need to pay is this much amount and the maximum I need to pay is this much amount. This is what it shows. So all the matrices are here, but first, as I told you, the first thing first, we need to just identify the keywords, the relevant keywords for our business. So as I told you that we are a digital marketing company and we sell digital marketing courses. This is the situation right now, right? So now We are just identifying few keywords. Okay, so I have opened a note over here, and let's copy these keywords one by one. Even if you want, you can download this like complete list. Right now Google has provided me almost 1200 keyword ideas for a digital marketing course, right? So right now it is showing me only like uh 10 keywords, but yeah, it is showing me only 10 keywords. If I want, I can go up to 500 keywords in the same list, and I can like go to the next pages as well, right? So let's take 50 keywords for now, although we don't need 50 keywords unless and until you are not like going to run multiple ads. If you are just running one ad, maximum 10 keywords are the best, right? So here tons of like 50 keywords are here. As you can see, Udemy digital marketing course. Also, you have to use your own common sense as well, like what keywords can be more beneficial and what keywords can't be, right? So for example, right now I'm just going with all these 50 keywords, right? Let's select all these 50 keywords. Okay, so I've selected all these 50 keywords. I'm just copying it. If you want, you can directly download from here as well. So 50 keywords are copied. I'm gonna paste it here. Okay, let me simply press the paste keyword, and all the 50 keywords are here. Although I'm not gonna use all these 50 keywords, I'm going to refine these keywords, but just to show you like how you can follow the process. Now the first thing is done. I have like come up with all those 50 keywords. Now it's time to analyze the keyword, right? Now I would insist you to download the sheet, or you can simply like analyze the keywords on the list, I mean in this list itself, because if you like write down or note down these keywords in any another sheet, you need to like uh, write down or note down the matrices of these keywords separately, so it is like going to be more time taking. So just do one thing, directly download this list. You can simply tap on this list, and this will like download the list into .cvs format or in a Google sheet. Okay, otherwise you can simply check from here as well, like what keywords are best for you. For example, digital marketing course, I want to use this keyword. Obviously, although the traffic is good, but the competition is pretty high, like medium is, you can say, consider high. So there's three levels: low, medium, high, right? So you should prefer only the low ones, but yeah, you can use the medium ones as well, right? Also you can use the hard ones as well, but you need to create good ad. The ad copy should be good. It should uh, has a good headline, has a good description, and a good call to action, so that you can even rank on those high competition keywords as well, right? So I have chosen digital marketing course. After this I will choose digital marketing classes. Okay, course marketing digital. Okay, sounds good. Okay, also I'm checking the matrices as well, like the monthly search volumes, the 3-month changes. There's no changes in these keywords. Even the bidding, like what amount can be paid, the minimum and the maximum one, right? Now if I scroll a little bit down, fundamentals of digital marketing, no, not related to me. Obviously fundamentals, if the person is searching fundamentals of digital marketing, there's no chances that the person is going to buy the course. I mean, he or she might be just searching for the fundamentals. He or she might be like looking for any uh, insightful video or an insightful blog, but not the course right now, right? Google digital marketing course. Google also provide a digital marketing course which is completely free. So this is also not a good keyword. That's why I told you that you have to use your own common sense as well while like sorting the keywords. Also, free digital marketing course, definitely it is not going to work here because my digital marketing course is completely paid, right? Digital marketing course near me, I can use this keyword if I am running local ads, right? Near me is like not for everyone, but yeah, you can use it sometimes. But yeah, if the keyword is not performing, you can remove it while optimizing your campaign, right? After I've almost like chosen 4 keywords, then we do have digital marketing classes near me, digital marketing Okay, Digital Garage Google, Digital Institute, Delhi Institute of Digital Marketing. Okay, this is also not useful because Delhi Institute is like a brand over here, so people are searching the direct brand name as well. Delhi Institute of Digital Marketing, this is like the brand name, right? So we are not gonna use this. Digital marketing course price, yeah, we can use this one because people like, he or she, the person, the target user is looking for the price, so yes, they want to pay for that course, so we can use this keyword. Now here's one more, digital marketing course cost. Yes, you can use this keyword as well. Digital marketing, okay, Google digital marketing class, no. Fundamentals digital marketing, no. Online course on stock market, no, not at all. Digital marketing garage, no. Digital marketing certificate, yeah, you can use this because we provide certification with our Google, digital marketing course, right? And after this, digital marketing course online, yeah, we can use this as well, and we can use this one as well, online marketing course. So I got almost 9 keywords, right? Now, while, as I told you, that while selecting these keywords, look into the matrices as well, like these keywords should have a good amount of search volume, monthly search volume, good amount of, not good amount of, like minimum competition, as well as the amount you have to pay, it should be also minimum, right? Now just hit the copy. Now let me delete all these keywords and let me just paste these 9 keywords only. Now I got these 9 keywords. Now what I can do, I can run ads on these 9 keywords only. But the last one is refine. The last level is refine. Optimize your keyword list to target the most valuable opportunities. Now I do have 9 keywords. Let's find out if there's any keyword which can be like removed from the list and have only the keywords that can bring the best or the most out of our budget, right? So digital marketing course, one of the like most premium keyword, because majority of the people searches directly digital marketing course whenever they are like searching for a digital marketing course, although it doesn't show the exact intent, like they are looking for free or paid, but still we want to run ads on this keyword. Then digital marketing classes, yes, we can use. Course marketing digital, this is like strange keyword, but people do search these kind of keywords as well. Course marketing digital, but if you want, you can remove it if you think that this keyword is not going to perform, so you can remove it. But if you are a complete beginner, I would suggest use these type of keywords as well. Sometimes these type of keywords brings good amount of results, and like without using these keywords into your Google Ads campaign, don't just reject it, right? You have to check everything, you have to do multiple A/B testings before come up with the exact list of keywords. But still, uh, keyword research for Google Ads, simply you can type keywords for Google search ads. Simply I have typed keywords for Google search ads. So I got 8 keywords over here, which I want to use. I'm going to use in my campaign. Now the next step after the keyword research is to create ad copy or to do copywriting. So to create the ad copies, obviously you need to have a good knowledge of your product or the service, whatever you are providing. You can check your competitors' ads as well, like how they are creating their ads, how they are crafting their ads. And once like you have good data, then only you can create your ad copy. Now here I have mentioned 3 points basically. The first one is understand your audience. So while creating your ad copy, you need to understand your target audience so that you can create the targeted ad copy as well. Here I have mentioned craft ad copy that speaks directly to the needs and pain points of your target customer. Research their demographics, interests, and behaviors. So let's get into the sheet again. Okay, let's talk about other points as well. Second point is highlight key benefits. Obviously, you should highlight key benefits. Focus on conveying the unique value your product or service offers. Emphasize how it solves your customers' problems or improves their life. And then use compelling language. All the time try to use compelling language because this helps to take action, right? So leverage action oriented verbs, sensory descriptions and emotional appeals to grab attention and drive clicks. Obviously this ad copy's main aim or main goal is to get a click on it, right? To drive clicks. So you should craft the ad in such a way that can bring clicks in a large number. Now test different copies variations to see what resonates best. Obviously, like you will not get the best one in your first try. You need to try multiple times. You need to create multiple ad copies and you need to test all those ad copies and get the best one, like which one is working best. Even Google also provides you this option to try multiple ad copies, multiple headlines, multiple descriptions, and Google test all those headlines and descriptions in different formats and helps you to get the best one which is performing good, right? So after like reading all these points, you need to keep all these 3 points in your mind while writing the ad copy. Also you need to keep one more thing in mind while you are creating the ad copy. At least create 15 headlines, because in search, Google search ads, you need to enter multiple headlines so that Google can try the different combinations of headlines and descriptions, right? So you should at least create 15 headlines. Each headline should be 30 characters, right? And descriptions, you should create at least 5, although we use only 4, but yeah, you can create almost 5 descriptions, and each should be 90 characters, right? Let me show you the few examples. Also you can go on Google and take idea from your competitors, like just search the same keyword on Google, like whatever you are seeing on Google, you will get a good idea from that. For example, this is one ad going on, and this is like complete headline and the description: digital marketing course and fees. So like these are two keywords, right? You might get confused that I asked you to write the headline under 30 characters only, but this seems like this sentence is exceeding 30 characters, right? Why? Because this is not like only one keyword, this is two headlines. So basically Google creates the headline using 3 headlines. So basically you are creating 15 headlines, Google will take 3 headlines from that and create one sentence. Will create one sentence. In the same way, Google will create multiple combinations of those headlines and try to find out the best one which is performing and bringing results, right? So this is how you can take idea, and after taking a good idea you can create your own ad copies. For example, if I write like the same keyword, digital marketing course. So in the same way you can write multiple, as I told you, 15 headlines at least under 30 characters. Also make sure that these like 3 words comes under 30 characters, right? So I'll check that as well. Also to check or to like be more productive, you can directly install one word counter Chrome extension, so you can count the words directly on your like whatever the page you are. So I'm going to word counter plus, let's see, yeah, this one. Just click on add to Chrome, add extension, and this is going to be add into the browser itself, right? You should use Chrome browser to use this, right? If you are using any other browser, Safari or something, you might not find this extension over there, right? Now I have added this keyword, and now for example if I want to check whether this keyword exceeds the limit of 30 characters or not, I just need to select the keyword. I need to right click on that and I can see word counter plus. If I click on this, it will show me the word count and the character of the count. So like it is only 24, so I can use this one. In the same way I can use other keywords as well. So guys, keeping these guidelines in the mind, I have created few keywords, few headlines and descriptions, although I haven't created like 15 and the 5, because I'm going to create one demo campaign, right? So obviously I'm not gonna use 15 headlines and 5 descriptions. That would be completely waste of time. Just to show you, I have created like 7 headlines and 4 descriptions. As you can see, also the headlines are not like 100% refined, 100% well researched, but yeah, I am going to use these keywords, I mean these headlines to into my headlines, and like this, these headlines are completely acceptable. We can use these kind of headlines like digital marketing course, flat 25% off, best discount today, or get the best discount today, something like that. But yeah, make sure these keywords, I mean these headlines, are under 30 characters, right? This is only 19 characters, so yeah, I can add get the best discount today. Yeah, then get a well paid job, and I can add something else like by doing this course or by pursuing this course. If there's a space, you need to make sure that everything is under 30 characters. Digital marketing certification, let's see if it is under 30 characters. Okay, it is exceeding the character limit, as you can see 31, but let's see what we can do about this, right? We'll see while creating the campaign. Offer ending soon, then 25, get 25% off on all courses. In a same way, I've created these descriptions, and these should be under 90 characters, 84 characters, right? Learn marketable skills with courses from world class digital marketing instructors. Learn digital marketing with online course and program, 100% job placement, unlimited backup class and support, book free trial. Even I have added the call to action, as I told you that your descriptions should have a good call to action, right? 100% job placement, get class recording, doubt classes, free book free trial class now, right? Or you can like call us now, something like that, right? So I have added uh, two different call to actions in these headlines. Now my ad copy is done. Let's go to our list. Our ad copy is completely done. Let's go to the next step, and that is the bidding strategy. Now there are different types of bidding strategy you can use. The first one is manual bidding strategy, where you need to set the amount you want to spend on each and every keyword. For example, there's a keyword digital marketing course. Now you can decide like how much amount you want to pay for that keyword. For example, if you are like willing to pay 50 rupees, or let's take an international example, there's a keyword digital marketing course and you are willing to pay $10 for that keyword, right? $10 is like a way more higher, but yeah, let's use this example. $10 for that keyword, right? Now if the amount is pretty competitive, like your competitions are also, like your competitors are also paying this much amount, like someone is paying $8, maybe 9, 10, 11, then there's a chances that your ads will gonna appear on the search results. But for example, if you like keep the amount $10 and the competition, all of the your competitors are paying almost double, maybe 18, $19 or maybe $20, then your ads will not gonna run, because you are paying, or like you are bidding too much low. That is like the issue with manual bidding. You have to, or like you get to know that how much people or how much competition your competitors are paying for that particular keyword, and how you can set competitive bidding for each and every keyword. Then we do have automated bidding, where Google's algorithm adjusts your bidding. Like sometimes it increases the bidding if there's a need of increasing the amount, and sometimes if there's a need, like there is no need to increase the amount, it decreases the bidding. Then lastly, there's target CPA. Target CPA is like target cost per acquisition. For example, your target is to get the user to the website by clicking on the ad and filling up a lead form. There's a lead form on your website. For example, if I show you, it is Marketing Fundas. Let's open Marketing Fundas website. Oops. Yeah, this one is the website. Now, for example, someone clicks on the ad the digital marketing ad which were running on Google and land on this website, right? Now my goal is that if the user lands on this website through ads, he or she should fill this sign up form or maybe this lead form, right? They should enter the information of their like their name, email address, number, and what like whatever the course they want to pursue, and submit it. So this is the acquisition, or this can be like called as a goal. So there's one bidding strategy that you can use to fulfill your goals, whatever the goals you have. It can be purchase in e-commerce website, it can be sign up form or lead form in these type like in course selling websites like us, when like we sell course. So in this case, we like majorly sell our courses through counseling. First, we provide counseling, and if the like student is willing to pay the amount, then we enroll them to into our course, right? So in these kind of businesses, in these kind of ads, we can use target CPA as well. That is also a bidding strategy, but this costs too much higher than these kind of bidding strategies. Obviously, you guys are directly asking for the results from Google. If you use this bidding strategy, obviously Google is going to charge you like extra for that, right? Now let's create one complete search ad campaign, and let's understand how we can use these bidding strategies, how we can use our ad copy and the keywords there, right? Let's go to Google. So as you can see, right now I'm on my Google Ads. Earlier I was like researching for the keywords. Now you can simply click on this Google Ads icon in order to land on the home screen. Now this account is completely new. It is asking me to create one campaign. I can click here, I can click here, or I can click here. This will ask me to create the campaign, right? Just click on create campaign. When I click, this is how the page appears. So I haven't provided any information about my business, so it is like asking the information about my business. So I can provide the name of my business, and I can provide the website or the URL of my business, although both these options are completely optional. If you want, you can skip it, right? So as I'm doing it, I'm just skipping it. Now this is the main interface. When you click on create campaign, this is the main page you will gonna see. Now here it is asking for the objective. Now as a beginner or like as a newbie, you can select these objectives. Now what is the benefit of selecting these objectives? Google will optimize your campaign according to these objectives. For example, if your objective is to get sales, you need to select this one. If your objective is to get leads, you need to select this one, and Google will optimize your campaign for the leads only, right? So you can use these kind of like objectives as well. But as a like expert, if you want to be expert or you are an expert, then you should choose this one. This is like the create a campaign without any goal guidance. And why we don't want any goal guidance? Because in this campaign, the complete control of the campaign is in our hand. We can customize, we can do tweaks, we can do changes, anything in this like create in this option basically, right? So I'm gonna use this one, but if you want, you can go with sales, leads, or like website traffic, right? So when I select this one, I will see the campaign type. Obviously I'm going to choose search campaign, but for example, if I select sales, in sales the like campaign type will get minimized. For example, you see sales, leads. Okay, in sales there are many different kind of campaign. Oops, okay, I've selected sales. Now when you select sales, you need to add a goal, conversion goal, into your website. Now this tutorial or this complete course is not about the conversion goals, so I'm not going to teach you the conversion goals. If you want to learn, you can watch or like you can look into our previous videos. You can just search conversion goal marketing fundas global. Definitely you are going to get a video on this topic as well. But for now, I'm going to teach you the like how you can get website visitors, for example, or website traffic when you run search ad, right? So right now it is asking, as I selected sales. So in sales, obviously you need to select the conversion goal because it is mandatory. Otherwise Google will not be able to understand like how many sales you got or what is the exact goal of yours. So you need to like provide an idea to Google that this is the product which I want to sell or on which I want to increase the sale, right? So you need to give the detail to Google, right? And in the same way, if you select leads, again it is going to ask you the conversion goal. As you can see, in each and every, like in majority of the options, it is going to ask you the conversion goal. As you can see, in website traffic, it is again asking conversion goal. In app performance, sorry, in app promotion, it is like not asking for any conversion goal because there's no any website, right? Now in the same way, if I select awareness and consideration, I do have demand gen, display and video. If I select this one, but for now I'm gonna use this one. Okay, let's keep everything aside, select this one and select search campaign type. When you select search campaign type, it is going to ask you use use these conversion goals for campaign. So basically you can add your conversion goal obviously in this option as well. But if you don't want to go with the conversion goal right now, you can simply hit on the continue button, and here it's going to ask you what are the results you want to get from this campaign. So I want to get website visits, so I simply select this. I need to put in my website, so I'm gonna search marketingfundas.com. I can simply search, hit the copy and go to Google Ads and paste it here. When you paste the website, it is going to like fetch the details of your website. So obviously you need to provide like on which website you want to get the visits, right? Now after this, you can like name your campaign whatever the name you want to give. Right now by default it is showing me search one. I'll increase the name demo search campaign, something like this, right? Search one demo search campaign. Hit the next or the continue button. When you hit the continue button, now it is like 4 or 5 step of creating the campaign. Also as you can see right now, I'm in the new interface, completely new interface. I'm using the new interface because it is pretty obvious that the old interface is going to be disappeared in few days. So let's get used to the new interface only. Right now in the next page, as I shown you, like when you hit the continue, you are into the 5-step campaign creation process, right? We are in the bidding section right now. In bidding, it is going to ask you the bidding first, like what kind of bidding you want to apply, what do you want to focus on. So it is simply asking for the like on which thing or like what matrix you want to focus on. So I haven't set up the conversion, so I can't use conversion or conversion value, but yeah, I can select clicks or maybe I can select impressions here. It is totally up to you. So the most like you want website visits, so the best option would be clicks only. Right now here you can set a maximum cost per bid limit. Now I have selected clicks, like I want clicks as much as like Google can provide me in my budget. Now I can select the CPC, like how much money, the maximum money I can spend for a click. For example, if I set 100 rupees, which is roughly around $1.5. So I'm I'm just saying to Google that I'm willing to pay all maximum of $1.5 for a click. This is the thing. I don't want to pay more than that. The maximum I can go is $1.5 or 100 rupees in INR. Right? Now there's one more option, customer acquisition. So if you select this option, bid for new customers only, so then Google will show ads to the new customers only who haven't visited your website or like who haven't used your product or services previously. If I select this one, right? But obviously it is showing me this campaign will not run. To fix this campaign, you need to either include an audience segment. Obviously you need to provide the list of the audience who have visited who have visited your website, or like who have uh, purchased a product or service from you. Otherwise, how Google would know that this particular person, or the person X or person A, is your existing customer, or like person B is not your existing customer, right? You need to provide the list of those existing customers to Google in order to use this option, right? Otherwise you can't use this. Now simply, like we are just creating a raw campaign right now. So simply I've set the bidding option. I want clicks, and the maximum I can pay is 100 rupees. Hit the next button, and in the next button I can select the network, like on which network I want to show my ads. The first one is obviously the search network, which is this one, this Google search, whatever we search here, digital marketing course, and this is basically the search network, right? Which basically the Google search engine itself. Now you can select the Google search partners as well if you want. These are not the Google itself only, these are the Google search partners, and even you can show your ads on Google display network as well if you want. Obviously I'm not gonna select this, and this is the like search ads, so my ads not gonna show on Google display network, right? So it is going to be shown on only search network and in the Google search partners. If you want you can select this, otherwise I'm just unchecking both of these boxes. I want to show my ads on Google search network only. Right, now scroll this down a little bit, and here you will see locations. In locations, obviously you need to select the location, like your target location, wherever you want to show your ads. It can be the whole country, it can be any specific city, or it can be any specific area of the city. For example, right now it is showing me, like by default it shows all countries and territories. If you select this, your money is going to be wasted, right? You don't have this much budget that you can show your ads in the whole world, right? Obviously you need to select any specific country, or any specific city, or any specific area, right? So it is showing me India because my ad account is like in India, that's why. Otherwise, if you are creating an ad from USA, you will see United States here. If you are creating ad from Canada, you will see Canada here. Then enter another location. If you select this, you can simply search and enter the location. For example, you want to target New York City only, so you can simply search here and you can add into the target option, and this will like add it into the target location. But there's one option which is advanced search. If you click here, you can like select or search the areas on a like very advanced way. So right now two options are here, location based or radius based. For example, if I select radius based and I select Delhi, which is capital of India, if I select Delhi, so now what is happening, Delhi has been selected. As you can see, this is Delhi only. If I zoom in a little bit, okay, let me zoom out. So this area is Delhi only, this one, only this much area is Delhi. Now what I have selected, I have added Delhi, and the radius of 20 miles from Delhi is in my target location, right? So like Delhi, and the radius from Delhi, the 20 miles of radius from Delhi is in my target location, that the people will be able to see my ad in this area. So in the same way you can do for any specific area. For example, if I remove Delhi and I select South Delhi only, I've selected South Delhi and 20 miles of area. Now as you can see, if I want, I can make it like 5 miles only, and I can select South Delhi again. Now I can remove the 20-mile one, and this is what I am targeting right now, right? Only 5 mile Delhi, South Delhi, and the radius of 5 miles only. So this is how you can do target on a radius basis, but mostly like majorly people use this on a location basis. For example, I want to target the complete Delhi. Just hit the target button, and after Delhi I want to target Mumbai. Select the Mumbai city, hit the target button. Right now I'm like targeting two different cities. One is Delhi, here you can see the blue one, right, and second one is here, Mumbai, right. Now for example, if you want to target the whole state, Maharashtra state for example, you can do that as well. Maharashtra. If you hit the target button, the complete state has been targeted. Also you can see the reach here as well, like whatever the reach you will gonna get if you select any city, any country, or any area. Right now for example, I'm just targeting the Delhi city and the Maharashtra state. Just hit the save button and my target location has been set. If you want, you can like add any exclusions as well. If you hit the advanced search again, you can add any exclusion. For example, I have selected Maharashtra, and Mumbai city also comes under Maharashtra. But I don't want to show my ads on Mumbai city. Except Mumbai city, I want to show my ads on complete Maharashtra. What I can do, I can exclude Mumbai from my targeting location. So just beside the target you see exclude as well. Just tap on that, and now Mumbai has been added into the exclusion. Even if you are selecting the complete country or complete state, a specific area will be removed from that targeting because you have added into the exclusion. In the same way, I have selected the whole city Delhi. Now for example, I want to remove the South Delhi part. I can select South Delhi and I can click on exclude, and the South Delhi part is removed from my targeting. Hit the save button. I have selected two target locations, two exclusions. Now there's a location option as well. Now like whom you wanna target, people who have who are in that location right now and have interest on that location. For example, I'm just talking about Delhi, okay, but I don't live in Delhi. I just do searches about Delhi, or I do different kind of Google search about Delhi. That means I do have interest in Delhi, and in a way basically if I have interest in Delhi, this option will if I select this option, Google will show me the ad. But for example, if you provide offline course, you don't provide online course, in that case you need to select the presence option only. Presence means people in or regular in that targeted location. People who have who is living in that location will only be targeted, right? That is the thing. So you need to keep this thing in your mind, that you are selecting the right target audience. People who have people who are living in that location or may have interest in that location will be targeted, or people who are just living in that location. It is totally up to you. So right now I'm just providing online courses, so people, if they have just interest in that location, can see my ad, and if they like the course, they can purchase it even after living from any different country or maybe even any different city. They just to know the language, and the language is selected is English. If you want, you can add any another language. For example, so language is basically this is not the language of my course, this is the language of my audience, whatever the language they speak. Right now I've selected English. If you, for example, my audience is Hindi speaking, you can select that. For example, if your audience is Spanish speaking, you can select that, right? If you want to remove, for example, you want to remove Hindi and Spanish, you can select the English only, right? It is totally up to you. Then we do have audience segment, or we are not going to use the audience segment option here, because audience segment is basically for the people who are doing retargeting or remarketing kind of things, right? But right now we are not doing anything. So these options we are getting because we have selected create a campaign without goal, without a goals guidance. So each and every option we are able to see here. So if you also select the same option, you should skip few options over there, like I have skipped. Now the broad match keywords is like it is turned off right now, so you can't do anything here. Now in the more settings you see some very fruitful and useful options like ad rotation. Ad rotation is like already on the best option, which is optimize, prefer best performing ads. If you select this one, basically Google will like optimize your ads automatically and will show the best performing ad only, right? And if you select this one, then it will equally rotate all the ads, and whether they are performing or not, Google will not take care of it, right? So leave it on the optimize option. Apart from this, in the more settings, you can set your campaign start and end date by just clicking on this pencil icon. You can set the start and the end date. If you have, like, if it is a none, then it will like continuously running. Then the ad schedule is also here. Right now it is on all day, but if you want, for example, you want to run on only Monday, on Wednesday, then maybe on Thursday, only 3 days in different, like Monday, then skip Tuesday, then Wednesday, then skip Thursday. Okay, no, Monday and Wednesdays and Thursdays here. Okay, now even you can select the timing as well. For example, you wanna show your ad from morning 8 a.m. to midnight 12 maybe. Okay, let me see the 12 where it is. Here it is, like okay, it is like 11:45, almost 12, right? So in the same way you can select the timing as well, like on which timing or whatever the timing you want to show ads, right? Even you can select, for example, all days, Monday to Fridays, like preset days are also here, weekends and weekdays are here, and specific days are also here. It is totally up to you, like how you wanna schedule your campaign, right? Right now I'm just selecting all days with no specific timing, right? After this you do have two options: campaign URL option and broad restrictions. No need to like do anything here, just leave it as it is. Hit the next button and you'll be into the third list, which is keywords and ads. So basically whatever the keyword research you have done, you need to add those keywords here and you need to create the ad. Now it is showing me keywords and ads, and the ad group is one. If you want, you can create multiple ad groups as well. Also, like Google has introduced the AI options as well, but right now we are not gonna use any AI option, right? Although in future if you want, you can use it when you like get a good idea about the complete Google ads thing. But right now let's stick to the completely manual things. So my website has been like, already I have submitted my website when I was like creating the campaign. So after evaluating the website, Google has already come up with few keywords. If you want to use these keywords, you can use this, otherwise you can delete these and use your own keywords, whatever the keywords you have finalized. For example, I have finalized these 8 keywords. I'm going to copy and go to Google Ads and paste it here. Now you need to keep this thing in mind, that you are applying the perfect match strategy to these keywords. As you can see, for example, if you wanna like keep these keywords into broad match, then you can leave these keywords as it is. If you wanna like keep these keywords into phrase match, then you need to add this quotation mark both the side of the keywords, something like this, right? Now for example, if you wanna like keep these keywords into the exact match, then you need to add this bracket something, right? I hope you have an idea about the matches, right? The keyword match. If you don't have any idea about the keyword match, you can like go on Google and search the match, 3 different type of not Google, go on YouTube and search match type by Marketing Fundas Global. Also you can click on this learn more option and you will get an idea about the match type, like what is the difference between all these three match types, right? So I have given you the solution. You can watch the video. You just need to search match uh, keyword match type and keyword match type, hit the space button and type Marketing Fundas Global. You will get the video, right? Also let me give you a little bit idea about the the match types. First one is broad match. So broad match is basically, for example, I have written the digital marketing course. Now if someone searches digital marketing course for free, my ads is going to show there, like my ad is going to be appeared there. Why? Because I have kept my keyword into the broad match, right? So in a broad match, Google shows your ads in a very broader way, and this way it is, there's a high chances that you are going to waste money, because this thing make it more intentless, right? So I would, I do not suggest you to use the broad match phrase type. Majorly you can use the phrase match or the exact match. Exact match is basically if people is searching or the audience is searching exactly online marketing course, then only your ad will gonna appear. And the phrase match is basically online marketing course, and if the the user selects online marketing course on course only, then still your ads gonna appear, right? If they select course or courses, still your ad will gonna appear there. So in phrase match, there if there's only a slight change in the keyword, then only your ad will gonna appear. And in exact match, if the keyword is exactly typed the same, then only your ads will gonna appear. So these two match type keeps the intent clear. That's why we recommend to use these two types. Now if you want to know more about these keyword match types, you can search on YouTube keyword match type, hit the space button and enter Marketing Fundas Global and hit the search button. You will get the video. Now after entering the keywords, next we do have ad creation. Now in ad creation, final URL is already here. You just need to scroll a little bit down, and here you need to provide the digital path. Now what is this digital path is? Let me show you. Right now it is showing marketingfundas.com, and here you can see this is the preview of your ad, marketingfundas.com / and nothing is there. If I show you digital, also you can see that there's only 15 character limit. So I'm gonna write DM, short form of digital marketing, right? DM, and here I'm gonna write course. Now as you can see, as soon as I added DM and courses, it has added a /DM /courses or /course. So this is how it adds a display path. It shows a path that where the user is going to be. Although this is not the exact path, there's no any link on my website, something like this, but you can show your user what is the link is, or what is the path is, where they are going to be landed if they click on this link or if they click on this ad. That's the use of digital path, right? Okay, now after this, scroll a little bit down, and here you can see headlines, 0 out of 15. So as I told you that you need to enter at least 15 headlines. Obviously if you want to run your ads with only 3 or maybe 2 headlines, you can do that as well, but I would suggest you to write complete all the fields, write all the headlines. But just for the sake of this video, I'm just entering these headlines only, whatever I have written one by one. Let me enter it. So guys, as you can see, I have added all those descriptions and the headlines, as you can see here. Also Google also shows you few of the headlines which you can add into your Google ad. It is totally up to you if you want to add it or not, but I have already researched few of my headlines and the descriptions, so I have added those. Also I showed you one keyword, which not keyword, the headline, which is more than 30 characters, the digital marketing certification. So what I have did, I have deleted the I from digital. Also, still the spelling is like wrong, but still the meaning is completely the same. So you can apply this trick into your like ads when the sentence is exceeding the limit of 30 characters, but don't like do it multiple times or repeatedly, because sometimes it gives a like wrong impression on your target user, right? Whoever like going to be click on the ad. Now after adding the headlines and the descriptions, you can provide some other details like your business name and logo. You need to tap on get access if you have a like completely new account, because I haven't provided any billing information or any business information there. So it is going to ask me the payment setup and everything in order to get access to provide business name and logo, right? So you can simply, if you are like providing each and every information, the billing information and your business information, then this option is like will be automatically unlocked. You just need to enter the business name and you can enter a logo of your business in an image format. Right after this, we do have few extensions. I'm not going to cover these extensions in this video because this is for the search engine basics. Obviously you can use this extension if you want to like learn about these extensions. You can simply go on Google and search whatever the extension. For example, you want to learn site link extension, simply go on YouTube and search site link extension tutorial by Marketing Fundas Global. You will get the video. Right now after this, once the ad creation is done, this is how the ad is going to look like. There are multiple previews. Obviously, as I told you, that Google tries different combinations of your ads, right, with your different headlines and different descriptions. So this is how the ad is going to look like. Now hit the done button and your one ad has been created. If you want, you can create more ads, but right now we are just going with one ad. Now hit the next button and you'll be into the budget segment where you can set your own budget, whatever the budget. The recommended one is 2310, which is roughly around $20, right? Roughly around $20, less than, even less than $20. So if you want to use this and keep this thing in mind, this amount is like the average, not average, this amount is the daily budget, right? So keep this thing in mind. Whatever the amount you are adding is going to be the daily budget of yours, right? So I'm going with the recommended one, but this is not compulsory. Whatever the budget you have, for example, only uh, $10 the budget you have, which is roughly around 800 rupees, you can simply put in here, right? So I've added 800 rupees here, and now for the next one. So according to the budget, you will see the result, like the estimated result, what you can get, right? Even here as well, you see the estimated budget, right? So the budget I have added is only $10, and on a weekly basis, I can get 1500 clicks. The average CPC will be 3.53, which is pretty less, but yeah, that's the thing. Now I have created my ad, everything is here. Also the recommendation, because site links, all not only site links, adding extensions to your ad campaign makes it more looking good and make it more clickable. So you should add extensions to your ads, as it is asking me to add a call out extension and a site link extension. So you can add, if you want to learn about extensions, you can go on YouTube and search any extension, whatever you want to learn. Just write the extension tutorial, and for example, you want to learn site link extensions, just type in site link extension space Marketing Fundas Global. You will get the video. Right after this, you can like review all the settings, whatever the settings, target location, network you have selected. Now once everything is done, hit the publish campaign button. When you hit the publish campaign button, it is going to be published. Also, I haven't added any billing information or the business information in this account, so I might see any error. No, I haven't seen any error. It is like went in the review. Obviously, Google reviews all the campaigns which you run on Google, so it is showing me that it is going to take 1 or 2 days, but It takes only roughly around 1 to 2 hours to approve it, or maybe if there's any issue it will decline also, right? And once it comes out of the review, you can see the results, you can see the impressions and the clicks. Obviously you need to add the billing information. It is showing me that you cannot show ads, and in order to show ads you need to add the billing information. I haven't added any billing information in this account, right? But obviously you need to add. So this is how you can create a search ad campaign. I hope you learned from this complete tutorial. This 1 hour video is like everything about the Google search ads. Now, when the campaign starts running, after a few days, you need to measure your success, like how many clicks you are getting, how many conversions, and what is the cost per acquisition you are getting, right? So the clicks I've already uh, taught you, like what are the clicks. Conversions is can be anything. It can be a lead form submission, it can be a purchasing a product, or it can be signing up for a newsletter. Conversion can be anything, and you need to pay an X amount for the conversions. And obviously you need to measure like how many conversions you are getting, right? As I told you, measure how many leads to website visit or sales. So the conversion can be anything. You just need to measure like how many conversions you are getting. The third thing is cost per acquisition. That also comes under the measures or like the matrices you need to look into. Again, cost per acquisition is like how much amount you have paid for to gain a customer, to gain a new customer, right? Now let me show you one campaign which is not like, which doesn't have too much data, but just to show you and to give you the idea about how you can measure your success is enough. Now you can see here I have spent almost 583 rupees, which is roughly around $7-8, right? The CPC, the cost per click, here I haven't, like, this is completely the search ad which I have created, right? So here I am seeing a CPC, not CPA or like cost per acquisition. This is the average CPC I got. So I have paid almost 34 rupees for every click. I got 158 impressions. Impression is basically how many times my ads have been shown. This is the impressions, how many times my ads have been shown on the search results, like how many times my ads have been appeared in the search results. That's the impression. And out of those impressions, like out of those 158 impressions, I got 17 clicks. 17 times my ad got a click, and I have paid 34 rupees for that. And in total I have paid 583 rupees till now. If I add the budget again, and this campaign will run again, and I will see like more data when this campaign run for like maybe 1 week, 2 week, or maybe a month. Now obviously your goal should be getting maximum clicks in the given budget, getting maximum conversions in the given budget, and getting minimum cost per acquisition in your budget. Obviously if you're getting minimum cost per acquisition, which means you are paying less to get new customers, right? That's the thing. So you need to measure your success, you need to measure all the matrices all the time while running your ad campaigns, right? Next up we have optimize your campaign. Obviously in order to optimize your campaign, you need to monitor the performance. You need to regularly track the key matrices like click-through rate, conversion rate, and cost per conversion. And cost per conversion and like cost per acquisition, both are same, right? So you need to measure all these things. You need to monitor all these performance, and according to like these matrices, you need to take the further steps. Also you can test with different things. You can test with different ad copies, you can test with different targetings, you can test with different bidding strategies, as I shown you. Like you can go to your Google ads, you can go to the campaign, whatever the campaign you are using, I mean whatever the campaign you are running, and you can make changes in the campaign. Like you can change the bidding strategy, you can change the targeting, you can change the ad copy, and this will definitely help you to get the best results. Obviously you need to test. Even the experienced marketers who have decades of like marketing experience, they also test their ads with different ad copies, targetings, and bidding strategies. That's the basic nature of these ads and the marketing thing, right? Also, bidding adjustment is also a very important thing in order to uh, improve your performance, in order to optimize your campaign. So you can increase or decrease the bidding according to your like keyword performance. You can individually check like which keyword is bringing you the good results, which keyword is bringing you bad results, and according to that, so what you need to do, like for example, digital marketing course is bringing you good results, so what you need to do, you need to increase the bidding of that keyword only, right? Don't increase the bidding of bad keywords. That's the wrong practice. If the keyword is not performing, do only one thing, just lower the bid, right? Just decrease the bidding, and the keyword which is performing or which is like giving you good results, increase the bidding for that. That's the thing. Now I hope you understood each and everything about Google search ads, and if you still have any question, query, any kind of confusion, you can comment down below. I'll answer those questions in the comment section itself. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button, and if you have any suggestions for like what you wanna learn next, you can just comment down below. I'll create a new tutorial on that. With that said, signing off, Marketing Fundas Global.